Is this seat taken?
Who's asking?
A handsome stranger.
Dime a dozen.
Sorry I'm late.
Did you get it? Was there any trouble?
I never get in trouble.
You get in trouble all the time.
Right. Well, I'm working on it.
No, you're not.
No. But tell me about your meet. Did our mutual friend show?
Yes, and she claims to be selling the dole chance.
What did you say?
That if she pulled the same ruse she tried last time, I would come down on her with a fiery wrath, the likes of which she had never seen before. What? Too much?
Faye Adelaide Bennett.
Calvin!
Will you contact a god with me?
You... The Book of Dreaming, you did get it! Oh, you have some nerve getting on one knee. You're lucky to walk out of this room alive after a stunt like that.
Sorry, baby. We've got visitors.
Trouble?
Oh, no. Probably after someone else.
Calvin Rafferty, freeze!
What are the odds? There's another Calvin Rafferty here.
Get going. I'll meet you at home. Love you.
Love you too.
You killed her, Calvin.
Faye?
You killed her.
It's your fault.
She's not coming back.
You're a bad person.
Faye, I'm sorry.
Killed her. It's your fault. She's not coming back.
Good morning, beautiful. How did you sleep? I actually, dreamt about you. Are you dreaming of me? I don't know if I'm doing any of this right, Faye, but I'm trying. I'm really trying. I miss you. Let me take off the nightshade. I'll need to borrow it again today, if that's all right. So, I do have some good news. I found it, Faye. The last piece of the puzzle. A way to wake you up. What we need is at the university's library annex. It's a book called Recitations of the Tenebrous Soul. And no, I don't know what that means. But there's a ritual in it named the Call. It's supposed to return a spirit to its body. I can use it with the dagger to bring you back. So please just hang on a little longer. I need to go, darling. But you'll be awake before you know it. Love you. Don't worry. I'll be careful. Ulta Condor, the blade of Ulthar. I'll need this dagger to bring Faye back. Our friends all left the city, or worse. Now it's only us. Everything was a joy with you, Faye. Even the flood. Damn thing has been burning for 3 months straight. Still have all our gear ready for the next adventure. You always had such vivid dreams. The Miskatonic Library Annex isn't far.
Attention citizens of Arkham. This is your final notice. All remaining residents must proceed immediately to the nearest evacuation zone. The last vessels of
The water rises a little more every day. All right, get to the annex, get the book, get back to Faye. Easy enough.
Journals, her paintings. I promised I'd keep them.
Can't evacuate yet. Not before I save her. The Slither. Foul worms that arrived with the flood. Now they're everywhere.
Harry, open the gate!
Harry? Don't tell me he left too. Guess I'll have to open it myself. Oh no. Harry. Ah, damn it. Now what? Huh. Faye and I use that same symbol for coded messages. It means safe. What? What is happening? These are our things. How? Huh. And now I'm back. Hello? They're in my way. Everyone left in a hurry. Down we go. Floods made everything unstable. Disgusting. Hey. Hey, no. No. Stay back, or I'll shoot. What was that? What's going on? How are they? Never seen the slither pup at the den before. That's not good. It's not working. Still not right. Gotta try again. It's not working. Still not right. Gotta try again. It's not working. Done. Power's on. Good. Back to the boat. They're everywhere. Damn worms. Arkham's got worse. I need to get to the annex, then get out. Just a little longer, Faye. The annex is right behind that gate. What the hell is going on? Gotta get this gate open. Time to run. Too many of them. Those people. Something's gone very wrong, very fast.
Mr. Rafferty, what are you doing here?
I was just... Miss Bennett. Couldn't I ask you the same thing?
A gentleman doesn't question a lady's presence. He merely appreciates it.
Well, a lady doesn't often turn up in the restricted annex of the library during a fundraiser.
Oh, one can easily get lost on the way to the restroom. But you, Mr. Rafferty...
Please. Call me Calvin.
You appear to have arrived with nefarious intent. Perhaps I should yell for assistance.
Well, Miss Bennett.
Faye.
Faye? Go ahead. I think the university would love to know what I found you reading.
What I'm reading?
Spare me. Is that really one of the narcotic manuscripts?
I think technically it's a copy.
I wouldn't have picked you for the occultist type.
I've spent most of my life finding things that others have tried to hide. And you?
I always figured the world was too large and too odd to be fully understood, and that all those who tried had their work locked away in places like this. So, have you acquired anything of note?
Darling, you wouldn't believe me if I told you.
Then show me.
Well then, Calvin, come on up.
What was that thing? Why was it angry at me? Well, cross that bridge later. I need to find a book. What was that? An emergency relief crate. Must be something useful inside. All right, so the restricted section was upstairs. Wait, is someone there? Hey! They fed the slither here like cattle. Why? These people are sick. Huh? annex, where I fell in love with Faye. The book should be up there. Someone must have lived here, or still does. Hope that's the last of them. Finally. What on earth? Oh, what kind of plant is that?
Don't shoot! I am human. I am alive.
Put up your hands.
Yes, yes, of course. I am Corentin. What's your name?
Calvin, turn around. Real slow.
Calvin, I have made some improvements, but I assure you all is well.
How are you? The worms only inhabit the dead.
I severed my eyes from the nerve, and as they died in their sockets, I introduced the slither. They accepted me and lifted the veil. Now, alien and arcane words of old sing to me from the page. As a translator, it has been absolutely...
No. What is this? What are you up to?
Wait, don't. I told you.
I just got a book that needs translating, and lo and behold, here you are. How does that happen?
You're at a library. Where else could I be? Call it divine providence. Please, I can help you. I know more than any man has ever known.
All right. There's a ritual in here for resurrection. But it's all symbols, a language I've never seen. I need to know what to say.
Yes. But I will need something in return.
Out with it.
I need you to fetch someone from the Devil's Reef Hotel. They held a lavish gala recently. Bring me the guest of honor. She's stuck there. Listen for the siren. You can take my boat. When you return, I shall have your translation.
Fine. I'll save her. But don't you go anywhere.
I am right where I want to be. Her name is Lorelei. And trust me, you can't miss her.
That'll come in handy.
Where did you just go?
Devil's Reef Hotel. It's on the other side of the city.